shade and the sun is kind of popping out here and there. Looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 44,072 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And you have these little blue lights here and that module there. It does have a built-in radar. So you might hear that go off a couple times during this drive. Non-smoker, absolutely gorgeous color combo. Dark blue dash and accents with that cream interior. And this wood grain really pops. Brakes feel good. Of course, nice and quiet. Suspension is super soft. Alignment's perfect. No complaints of drivability whatsoever. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, this car does have a clean Carfax on it, and now at some point it did get blended here. It looks like it had like a scratch or something, and they resprayed this section. So the paint here is a little bit brighter than the pearl on the older section. So you can see that slight hue difference, if you can see that. Just kind of a slight variation in color. Looking at the wheel, you have a little bit of rash with some touch-up, some little chips and scuffs, all very subtle. Got the Pirellis, day code 2020. Looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. Side mirror looks awesome. You do have a couple little touch-up spots right there. Rocker looks good. Quarters clean. Man, these wheels look so cool. Now, there is a couple spots where the paint's kind of flaking, a few light scratches. And look at that interior. We'll get to that in a second, but absolutely gorgeous. Killer color combo here. Headlights crystal clear, grille looks amazing. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Do have some rash right here. You get underneath it, you're going to see more, but most of it is not visible when you're just walking around it, except that little edge there, a little spot there. Parking sensors, a little more rash on that front splitter. A couple light scuffs, a few little rock chips. Have a little scuff right there on the side. Fender looks good here on that wheel. Dayco 2019 on that tire. Overall wheel looks good. Mirror looks nice. A-pillar's clean. Overall looks good. Couple chips here and there. All small stuff. Taillights look good. Here on that deck lid. Really nice. And then do have a couple rock chips down there just from the tires, but other than that, looks good. Beautiful color combo here. And those wheels look amazing. And look at this interior. Insane looking. That wood grain really pops. This is all dark blue. It's a very dark blue accent all the way around. It almost looks black, but if you look at the weather stripping, that's black. That's blue. Very, very cool. Looking at the upper panel, looks perfect. Wood grain looks amazing. Overall, that door panel looks perfect. I don't really see any flaws. The trim looks good. Got all your buttons here, memory seating. A couple little marks there. A little bit of wear on that edge. A little bit of wear right there. That side looks good. The quilting looks awesome. The steering wheel. This is awesome. I really, really love this. Nice and clean. Buttons look good. Gauges are clean. And this is the coolest part right there. Really neat. Looking at that door panel, upper section looks amazing. Wood grain looks good. Incredibly clean. Trim looks nice. Super plush floor mats. A couple light marks here and there. Memory seating, all your buttons here. Bolster looks good. Those seats look awesome. Of course, it is power. You fold it. Looking at that seat, looks good. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Here, the engine bay looks amazing. Nice and clean. Underside looks good. Looking at that top, dark blue, like a blue jeans material. Looks incredible. Tempered glass. Really, really nice. It's probably just where it folds up. You have a little crease here, but no rips, no tears, no sun fading. Looks good.